Hello and welcome back to The Roman Co. Today we are doing something a little bit different. Today I am upcycling and transforming a top for you all and kind of walking you through the process that I did. So if you didn't know, I actually know how to sew and I know about apparel construction. I majored in fashion merchandising in college. I've been sewing probably for the past 20 to 30 years. So I asked in my Instagram stories probably a few months ago if anybody wanted me to create something new or if they wanted me to upcycle. It was almost unanimous that they wanted me to upcycle a project. So I upcycled this sweatshirt. I turned it from this into the shirt that I'm wearing now. And I'm gonna walk you all through what I did. So if you sew, it is so easy. If you are a beginner sewer, or if you're just interested in the process of upcycling, definitely keep watching.
All right, here is a list of the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna start with an oversized sweatshirt. The reason why is because you really want it to scrunch around your waist. You're going to put the shirt on, you're going to take a tape measure and measure about where you want the shirt to stop. Then you're going to take your chalk and mark it with a line. Now from where you marked, you're going to measure 2 more inches. This is going to account for the seam allowance. Now you're going to take a ruler and you're going to mark all across the sweatshirt. This is where you're going to cut. Make sure the sweatshirt is flat and there are no bumps for when you are cutting. All right, so now you need to go ahead and make your hem. So this is also where you're gonna slide the elastic through. So notice I'm making a rolled hem, but I'm also making it big enough that the 1-inch elastic can easily slide in. So once I get that measurement, then I'm gonna go ahead and place pins all around the sweatshirt. And this is gonna be where you sew. So you're gonna wanna make sure that you leave at least 2 inches open when you sew to slide that elastic in. Okay, so now before you sew anything, try the sweatshirt on inside out just to verify that this is the length that you want. Now you can't really go any longer, but you can definitely go shorter if you want. Okay, it's time to sew. Now I'm using a simple straight stitch and a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I'm gonna go through the entire thing except for where I need that 1 to 2 inch gap to run the elastic through. Now don't forget to back stitch. You're gonna wanna make sure you back stitch when you start and when you end. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab a safety pin. I'm gonna put it on my elastic, and this is what I'm gonna use to push my elastic all the way through the sweatshirt. Now remember, you needed to make sure that there was enough space for you to have the elastic go through the sweatshirt. All right, so once you pull the elastic through, you're gonna wanna make sure it's all even, there's no twists within the elastic. Then you're gonna try the sweatshirt on again just to make sure it's the right width. Once you get the desired width and length of the elastic, then you're gonna go ahead and do a zigzag stitch to connect the pieces. Once your elastic is connected, then you're gonna go ahead and close up that remaining 1 to 2 inch gap by just simply doing a top stitch. You're gonna wanna make sure you're still doing a 1/4 inch so it looks like an even hem. And don't forget to back stitch. And now the final results. What do you think? This crop sweatshirt is perfect for dressing up as well as dressing down. I'm excited to wear this out.
See, wasn't that fast and easy? Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more upcycle projects that I am working on. I'm always happy to share my process. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I always appreciate the support. And until next time, friends, wear what you love.